So let us now come to the patentability criteria. So I want everybody to write in the chat box the word nuns. And if you remember the word nuns, you can get a idea about what is the patentability criteria. So for patentability criteria, there has to be four elements which needs to be satisfied. First is novelty, second is utility, third is non-obviousness, and fourth is subject matter eligibility. So the first letter of these words is nuns. That's why I told you to write nuns in the chat box. Okay. So according to Indian Act, this is the general definition. Like nuns is the general criteria which is followed throughout the world. In Indian aspect, novelty is defined, like if you go through the act, novelty is determined from the word new in the definition of an invention. Utility is defined by the word industrial application in the Patents Act. Non-obviousness is defined by the word inventive step in the Patent Act. And subject matter eligibility, we have section 3 and 4, which tells us what things are not eligible to get a patent. To give you an idea, for an invention to be new, that invention should not exist anywhere in the world. For example, I have this stand which can hold a tablet or a mobile phone. So if I have developed this, then this should not exist anywhere in the world. So now you will say there can be so many, mobile holders which can exist anywhere in the world. So for novelty, we have to see exactly same product. Exactly same product should not exist anywhere in the world. So if I have this and there are many mobile holders which do not have this flexible arm, then my invention is new because I have this flexible arm which is not present anywhere in the world. Okay, so this invention as a whole, as it is, should not exist anywhere in the world. Second is utility. Utility, as you all know, should that it should be capable of being made and used in an industry. It should have some use. So if you can establish that it has some use, then it's called utility. And establishing utility is not so difficult. So we never get any objection regarding utility. The third is non-obviousness. Now here comes the difficult part while prosecuting a patent application, because in novelty we saw that this should not exist anywhere in the world in the exactly similar manner. Now we are saying that this flexible arm is something which is novel, and because of this element my invention is new because this flexible arm is not existing anywhere in the world. Okay, now the patent office will ask me that, is this flexible arm something obvious? Does this have an inventive step? Inventive step means technological advancement. And then I will say, because there was a long felt need, and in other inventions or other mobile phone holder, because we did not have this flexible arm, the mobile phone or the tablet used to fall down. And because of this flexible arm, I can adjust it at any height, and it can rotate in various manners according to height of my mobile phone or the tablet. My invention is not obvious to the person skilled in the art. So this kind of argument I can give, and I can say my invention is inventive, it has a technological advancement. So in non-obviousness, we have to prove what is the advancement in our product. And then comes the subject matter eligibility. Subject matter eligibility just means that Section 3 and Section 4 of our Patents Act bars some things from getting a patent. For example, things related to atomic energy are not patentable. Business methods are not patentable. And methods of doing agriculture, method of treatment of human beings are not patentable. So these are some examples which are not patentable. So to check subject eligibility, subject matter eligibility, we have to go through Section 3 and Section 4 of the Patent Act.